Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for the Beauty Buzz Shopify app. Together, let's create your first shoppable video carousel and start increasing those sales. To begin, click the Create Carousel button. Name your first carousel and click Create. Next, let's import some videos. Find the URLs of the videos you wish to use from TikTok or Instagram and copy and paste those URLs in one by one into the designated field in the sidebar. A new field will appear once the first one is added. When finished, clicking the Get Videos button instantly loads those videos into the carousel, which are also automatically added to your video library for use again later. Once imported, click on each of them and drag the slider to select the frame to use as the video thumbnail. You can also make videos shoppable by going to the Products tab. Use the search or simply select which product tags to add to the video. These products will now be displayed on the videos when viewed in expanded mode. To insert this carousel on a product page in your shop, for example, just copy the carousel's embed code by clicking this button. This code can now be placed on any part of your website, whether it's on the homepage or more commonly in the description of a product. When adding the embed code, remember to do so in HTML view mode and not as normal text. Once added and saved, your carousel will now be visible on your website, ready for customers to interact with at the point of sale. By following these simple steps, you will have your shoppable video carousels up and running in no time, ready to captivate your customers and boost your sales. Check out the Analytics section for insights on how your video carousels are performing. Get the numbers for video views, video clicks, watch times, plus add to carts and sales from carousel interactions. To see videos about the app's other features and widget controls, please visit the tutorials page here. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to contact us.